What's happening, my friend? Listen, I have one for you that you may like. Check this out. I'm Lee. I've been trying to help out my parents, my friends, and their parents for the last 10 years on how to watch movies and TV shows on the Amazon Fire TV stick or any Android device. Easiest way to do it here, we're on the home screen. Go to that magnifying button, select it, or pull down to the search, and we're going to type in a program called Downloader. Downloader will give us the ability to sideload applications that may not be available on your Fire TV stick. So as you can see, I just typed in D and Downloader's right there. So we can click on that. The orange icon, click on it. I already own it, so you can get it and install it. Here it says download it, I own it. So I'm going to click download with the select button on my remote. Let the application download, and then once it's installed, don't open it quite yet. We can go back to the home screen, and we got to enable Downloader to be able to sideload applications. Or some people call it jailbreaking. I know it's not jailbreaking. Over on the far right here, the settings icon, just highlight it, and then you can come down to My Fire TV. When you open up My Fire TV and you don't see you see about, and then maybe go to the legal and compliance, and you don't have developer options listed, click on about, and then on Fire TV stick highlighted there, use your remote, click it about 7 times. Mine says no need as I'm already a developer, but now you are too. Now we can back out, under highlight developer options and click on it, then come down to install unknown apps. And we have Downloader selected. Now, this allows Downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store. We can head back to the home screen. Let's find Downloader. If we go to our little 3 squares plus sign, the apps and games section, find Downloader. Down at the bottom here, we can click the 3-line button on our remote. And we move it to the front now because Downloader is going to be our new app store, okay? So let's go back to the home screen. We can click on Downloader, open it up. And it will ask if you would like it to allow to access photos, media, and files on your device. Say yes to allow. And then we can say OK to the quick start guide. Now here's the Downloader page. We can just click up once. And we're going to type in a quick short-term URL. You could type in ledbytheunknown.com, or you can type in 370178 and click go. Now this will send you right to the downloads page of the Led by the Unknown website. Our website is here to help you. While we're waiting, guys, please share this with a friend. I know there's a lot of people out here in the same position where it's like, Mom, Dad, I don't want to try to fix your app. Go see Lee. He knows what he's talking about. If only that worked, right? All right, we're in the downloads page. There are some videos in here to take a look at, and some tutorials on how to download the stuff that you'd really like to download. Today, we're going to look for some movies and TV shows, so head on down. Here's our movies and TV shows section. So we got like Pluto, Zumo, Fossum. Yes, some of these are already available on your Fire Stick. Some are not. So we're going to click on Zumo. And it'll come to the Zumo download page and head down to the bottom. And then you can get this for the Amazon or Android device or your mobile devices. What's the difference? Right? Mobiles need to learn how to go sideways. TVs don't. So it says install the application on the bottom right corner. Let Zumo install, and we're just going to hit done right now. We don't want to open it because we need to delete the APK file, the application that we downloaded. We no longer need it. because it's installed Zumo, so we can hit delete and delete again. Now guys, check out all the other apps in there. I'm sure you'll find something you will really like. Let's go back to the home screen and let's go find Zumo. So back to your apps and games section, Zumo right at the end here, and we can hit highlight it with the 3-line button, and we can move it. Like, let's move it up here between Rumble and SurfShark. Now we can hit, let's open up Zumo. Zumo Play, your first initial opening, like most applications, take a little time because they have a bunch of stuff to download, like backgrounds and thumbnails and whatnot. So here we have recommended. Here we have recommended, our favorites, news, weather, sports, or movies, sports. If you go left a little further, you get out of the live guide. We got movies and TV shows. So if we click on like TV shows, feature, drama, classic, comedy, crime, paranormal, reality, game shows, wildlife, history, and so on. There's a ton of movies, a ton of TV shows. There are like literally just Zumo versions of movies and TV shows, Zumo only exclusives. Look at that 2-pack. There you go, some Ghost Hunters if you wanted to. Reality TV. Keeps going, guys. Enjoy, okay? Peace. Don't forget, check out those other applications and enjoy. Happy streaming!